Hi, this is Basil with Hestan, and I'd like to talk to you about the Hestan outdoor lighting systems. There's actually two: the stadium motion-activated lighting and the LED control panel lighting. The first I'd like to demonstrate for you is the stadium motion-activated lighting. It's motion-activated because once I raise this hood, you'll notice that the light doesn't come on. But once I get it to 30 degrees, the light comes on by itself. And I can do that, I can show you how that works by just toggling it back and forth at that 30-degree position. The way we do that, where everybody else in the industry either locates 1 or 2 10-watt halogen bulbs, we take and we mount that lighting up here into the hood. We actually use 2 20-watt halogen bulbs. So you can see that the lighting, no matter where this is positioned, that grill surface is lit, it's bright, and we can see everything that we want to see. And those lights are right up here. Now that we're done with the stadium motion-activated lighting, let's take a look at the control panel. The control panel is quite beautiful with the Hestan knobs and the marquee finish on the control panel itself. And we're showing one of our exclusive signature colors here, our Citra, which is also known as orange to the general public. But what we do here is we utilize an LED light strip that runs the whole length of the control panel, and it's very easy to activate. All you got to do is touch the button and the light comes on. Whether that's over the built-in grill or whether that's over a side burner, it lights up beautifully. And the fact that it's LED, it's using very low energy, and it tends to light up the grilling surface in front of the grill. So it's safe for you to access the grill at all times. So that's our stadium motion activated lighting and our LED control panel lighting. Thank you.